Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I figured I would do a small little review for you guys because I picked up the most amazing palette in Rite Aid the other night. So the palette that I picked up from Rite Aid is the City Mini palette by Shayla. I really wanted to get into more palettes because I'm always using my BH Cosmetics palette, and I was just like, I need to get into a better palette that I know I'm going to want to dig in, because I hate wasting my money on palettes that I use once and then I dispose of them later. Like, I want to be able to use palettes that I can always go to when I want to do my makeup. This is the most amazing palette that I have ran across in the past couple of months. Like, I really want to get the Jaclyn Hill palette, but I was just like, oh, I need to get something that I can afford right now. So this palette is super pigmented. I really do love this. I recommend using this not just for a nighttime look, but also for a daytime look as well. I swatched it and I was just like, oh my god, super pigmented. So I'm just going to swab for you guys so you guys can see. Swatch. What's the appropriate word to say when you're showing eyeshadows on your hand? Schwabbing. So I'm going to take the first shade, and this is kind of like your transition color, your base shade, and this color right here. And look how pigmented. And that's just like for a base shade, and I was just like, what the hell? So I was super surprised at how much, you know, pigment it really had. And for the next one, I'm going to be going into this brown one, and I'm just going to show you guys. Super pigmented. Look at that. I want to use this every day. Everyday look, I want to use this. For the next one, I'm going to take this shimmery purple shade right here. This palette really didn't come with any names of the colors, so I'm just going to give them my names for right now. And that's the purple shade right there. I don't know if it's the camera. Oh yeah, right here. I don't know if it's the camera, like I said, but these shades are super pigmented. Like, you can really see these on my hand, like super pigmented. So far, this is the base. This is the crease color, I believe. And this is just like a glitter for the lid. So I have 3 glitters on my lid. I have this, starting with this from the bottom, the darkest glitter, and then the lightest glitter going up into my inner corner eyes. For the next one, I'm going to be using this darker kind of glitter right here. Oh, I put that on the black one. Ew. Let me do that again. That was ugly. So this is the dark glitter right there. This is the dark glitter. I was like, oh my god, super pigmented. Oh my god, super pigmented. I really do like this, especially for like champagne looks. Like you can see right here, super pigmented on my finger. This last bright glitter in the corner, and I'm gonna put that, let me see, right here. And that's the light glitter. Look how pigmented that is. This is the light glitter right here. That, look at that pigment. That is amazing. And everybody knows that this black right here is gonna be amazing as well. Look, pigmented. I do recommend this palette for you guys. Like I said, you can use this as a daytime look, as a nighttime look. You can use it for any kind of, you know, anywhere you're going. I like this little guy in the corner. Super pigmented. I love it, especially for a Valentine's Day look. So if you plan on doing any kind of special or romantic things for Valentine's Day, go pick up this palette and get this right here. This is super sexy. I feel like for my lips, I used the LA Colors Doll Face lip gloss. I'm also waiting for a package that I have to go pick up from my cousin's house, but I ordered 3 matte lipsticks, and I can't wait to show you guys. They're like super sexy. They're fallish, but I like dark lips. Like, I feel like it doesn't matter what occasion, winter, summer, fall, spring, like, I'm gonna wear a dark lip. Dark lips are sexy. Shouldn't matter what the season is. This is from Maybelline New York. I picked this up, like I said, from Rite Aid. It was $9.99 for me. I'm not really sure in your area how much this would be, because like I said, you can go to different Rite Aids and different CVS's and Walmarts and so forth, and it would be different prices. But like I said, Rite Aid, from where I'm at, $9.99. I will be doing a giveaway for you guys when I reach 1,000 subscribers. I'm super excited because, as you all know, there is this new makeup collection called Hush Pop going around, and I wanted to do a giveaway for you guys with one of the exclusive palettes that they have that are always sold out. But being that things are sold out right now, I'm really getting a hard time, and I'm just waiting for the right moment to show you guys, you know, what palette you guys will win. Enter this contest. All you need to do is become a subscriber. That means subscribe to this video, and you have to be following my Instagram, of course. And my Instagram is actually going to be at the bottom of this video where I'm saying it right now. And it's _beyondbeauty with 2 eyes, not a Y. I really hope you enjoyed this video on my review for this cute, amazing palette that I really adore. I used the palette on my look today, so if you would like to see a video of how I did this look, make sure you comment below in the comments and let me know if you want to see this look. Other than that, I'm about to go get me something to eat because my stomach is growling. And I will see you guys in the next video.